Hey guys, we are here today to install the Eurosport lower front brace on my MK6 GTI. This will just provide a little bit more chassis stiffening at the front of the car to hopefully improve handling, and it'll change the front rear just kind of cornering balance a little bit, but we'll see how that does in the butt dyno report video, so check that out when it comes out. We're gonna get in. It looks very easy to install. Just take off 2 bolts on the lower control arms at the front, reinstall the bolts with this sandwiched in between. You should be good to go. Only thing I'm really concerned about is if the control arm moves a little bit once you take that bolt off, because then it's not fully secured, fastened down. Might be a little bit of finagling to get it back together, especially when it's still only on the ground on jacks. But we'll deal with that problem when we get there. So let's get this installed. Okay, so we're underneath the car, and the bolt in question is this guy right here. You've got the front wheel, you've got the control arm, and you've got that bolt right there. It's an 18mm. Should be as simple as taking it out and putting it back on with the bar in place. Here's this one on this side. Sorry, I'm trying to get better at getting a lot of light in here, but it gets glary on the GoPro. Right there. Shouldn't be too hard. Now this piece might move a touch, right, a little bit when you pull it out because it's bolted through there. But we'll deal with that when I get there. I'm gonna try to do one side at a time just to figure out what we're dealing with and go from there. All right, we're starting over here. Oh, golly gee, I wanna. Let's see if this goes anywhere. Come on. Do not want to strip this at all. Let's try a smaller bar. Maybe we can actually get it in there. If all else fails, impact. We have it now. Okay, so there's at least some movement now. There we go. Let's try to impact that out now. Yeah, I moved a touch, but let's get this loosely on there. Oh, I hate scraping it so much. Goes this way. So the bolt goes through and up. Oh, look at that, that's easy already. Now at least we'll impact it back a little bit. Oh, that's so loud. There we go. Well, that's one side on. That's actually pretty decent if you ask me. Time for the other side. Oh, pulling myself over. If we go slightly this way. At least we broke it free. Torquing it back down to spec. Torque it a lot. Ugh. I don't think I can fit the impact up in there. Haha, nope. A little bit. Where's the ratcheting? There we go. Takes so much longer without impact. I love it so much now. All right, that one actually did not move, which is very nice. So then, the bar is there. Oh, that's so cool. All right, back to this. Now we can tighten it. This isn't going to be as tight as we can get, but it'll be tighter. So then this, get some more torque on it. Oops, wrong way. It's still in other mode. If I'm upside down, my brain gets confused very easily. It's at least very tight. I'm fairly happy with those. I'm gonna get a torque reading and get it torqued to spec, but I like it so far. So torque is 90 Newton meters plus 90-degree turn. So we'll see what this is. Ah, shoot nugs. Upside down, I keep doing that to myself. It's not even 90 yet. Dang, son. Kinda has to be this way, doesn't it? All right, that's 90 on that one. That's 90 on that one. And now they need a 90-degree turn. Not quite 90, that's like 30. I'll call that good. Let me flip around. Oh, the mic might go haywire here. Oh, I like that. Oh. Sweaty. Oh. All right, so the lower front stress bar is in. It actually looks fantastic. I'm interested to see how it does. If you want to see a full review on how this lower stress bar works on the road, please find the butt dyno report video on my YouTube channel for this product. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's a little quicker than I thought it was going to be, actually fairly easy. Hope this just helped you figure out where this bar needs to go, because that was the biggest question I had. But anyways, thank you for watching. I'm out of breath. Please subscribe. Have a great day. And remember, Jesus loves you. Bye.